Are you thinking of selling your home and you want to make sure that you get top dollar and you aren't stressed out from mistakes that can happen when hiring an experienced, unqualified, or discount broker who, by the way, can't offer enough value, so the only way they can earn your business is by cutting their commission, which means they're cutting their value in service? Well then, this video series is for you. Watch this one or watch them all. We're gonna educate you and inform you of the secrets, hacks, and tricks that top producing agents don't tell their competitors. You wouldn't believe that there are a few hacks when you're selling your home to ensure that you get the maximum exposure and top dollar. My team and I have worked with a lot of sellers and we've cracked the code to get you top dollar. Hi, I'm Lei Villar-Cisneros with Homes by Lei. In this video, we're going to talk about the outside of your home, curb appeal. I'm sure you've heard that before, but you really have to understand the importance of it. Many times, buyers will even walk through a home that doesn't look cleaned up from the outside when they pulled out. There are simple tricks that can save you money and actually maximize the return on your investment at the same time. Here's an example. Utilizing black bark and adding a few flowers or plants that can pop color and make your ugly old yard turn into frumpy to fabulous. Maybe you're wondering if the outside needs a new paint job. Have you considered just painting the door and trim? Many times, that alone can spruce up the outer appearance and look as though the entire home has a new paint job and save you a lot of money. Right before pictures, be sure to water down the concrete or pavement as it will enhance the photos and make the home pop even more. Also, be sure to trim up the trees, landscaping roses. If you got so many trees that it hides the home, you're losing buyers. Lastly, be sure that all your exterior lights are working and the home is well lit up at night. So we've got so many tricks to show you to ensure that once we get a buyer to see your home, that you're likely to want to write on it. Be sure to call us and we'll make it happen.